Hey Cheryl, this is Dawson over at Kentson Car Company in American Fork. Just wanted to make a quick little walk around video for you of this Hyundai Sonata. Really pretty gray color. We've gotten a lot of these lately. Hyundai has been doing a great job with their vehicles, and so these are pretty hot at the moment. This one has your keyless entry. Power seats. Kind of sit down in here with you. This one has your lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. You have multiple drive modes here, as well as your camera, dual climate control with heated seats. You do also have steering wheel audio controls, as well as a little menu here. Back seat. Couple little USB-C ports. A lot of trunk space. A spare tire with a jack. I think that was also an owner's manual. Yeah. Got your charging ports, as well as a traditional 12-volt plug there. Let me know if you have any questions.